A rotary evaporator, or rotovap, is commonly used in laboratories to remove organic solvents via evaporation. Before using the rotovap, make sure that the solution is less than half full in your round-bottom flask and that the vacuum pump is on. The rotovap has three main controls: the rotation control knob, the up and down switch, and the vacuum vent valve. This valve opens the whole system to the atmosphere when it is pointing up. When it points down, the whole system is connected through these vacuum lines to the vacuum pump, so the whole system is under vacuum. To put your round-bottom flask through the rotovap, couple the glass joints and secure with a ket clip. The ket clip has two sides, a small side and a larger side. The joints must be straddled, therefore the small side goes on the small neck and vice versa. Then connect the system to the vacuum by pointing the valve down. Immediately turn the rotation control knob on. For a small round-bottom flask, the rotation could be fairly fast, perhaps half to 3/4 of the maximum speed. Then lower your flask into the bath. The vacuum makes the liquid evaporate at a lower temperature than normal. The rotovap rotates and swishes the liquid around, ensuring that the solute stays dissolved in the solvent and speeding up the evaporation rate. The water bath is slightly heated to again remove the solvent more quickly. The liquid solvent evaporates but is then collected by cooling and condensing it into another round-bottom flask, or the collection flask. Substances dissolved in the solvent will be left behind in the original round-bottom flask when it evaporates. If an organic solvent with a solute dissolved in it is evaporated, then the solvent and dry solute will be separated. When you finish rotovapping, you can stop the rotation to check. Lift the flask out of the water bath, vent the system, and you want to hear a hissing sound. Then remove the ket clip and lastly remove your round-bottom flask. Be very careful at this point not to drop your flask into the water bath.